Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Parrikar does a Digambar Act, says MOI policy will help poor students to avail education in English from primary level. Artist Devidas Amonkar raps CM BBSM. Is Goa Congress in tatters? Veterans unhappy over new GPCC, out of touch, less known, and even people with anti-party history appointed on GPCC. Is Lusofonia another CWG? Goa Suraj Party alleges mega scam in sports kit procurements, demands CM's intervention. School timings to be changed during board examinations. Education Minister Parrikar ready to allow freedom to choose timings to schools. And Portugal ends India's beach volleyball challenge. Indian athletes continue golden spree at Lusofonia Games. Mozambique enter football finals. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar justified his MOI decision by saying that it will help poor students to avail education in English from primary level. CM was speaking the same language that Digambar Kamath spoke 2 years ago. Artist Devidas Amonkar says it's time to scrap Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch too. He also said that Parrikar has shown lack of maturity but political cunningness in the MOI decision. Diocesan Society and Parents Organization Force have hailed CM Parrikar's MOI policy and called it pro-people.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that MOI policy will help poor students to learn primary education in English. This is a repetition of what Digambar Kamath had said when he was a Chief Minister and the MOI policy was out on May 10, 2011.
जेन्ना 22,000 भुरगीं पैसे 500 रुपया 1000 रुपया म्हयन्याक दिवन इंग्लीश शाळेंत शिकता ती पळय शाळा दिल्यो पळय परमिशन ताजो परिणाम इंग्लीश शाळेंत जेन्ना शिकता पळय 500 1000 रुपया फी दिवन तेन्ना उरलेल्या 70-75,000% लोकांक 25% इंग्लीश शिकता 75% इंग्लीश शिकूंक मेळना तांकां अशें दिसता आमी गरीब आसा किंवा आमचे कडेन कमी पयशे आसा आमकां ते एफोर्ड जायना इंग्लीश शाळेक धाडपाक म्हणून आमकां हें भोगचें पडटा काय कितें अशें म्हणून समाजान एक थोडोसो वेगळ्या प्रकारची भावना निर्माण जाता ही तकली मिरची पडटा.
Meanwhile, artist Devidas Amonkar has teared apart CM and BBSM over medium of instruction issue.
माझो प्रश्न आसा तांकां भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाचे जे कोण पदाधिकारी आसा तांकां एक तर तांच्यांनी बाप दाखोवंक जाय नाल्यार आमकां श्राद्ध वाडपाक दिवंक जाय तेंचे.
दिसा सरकारान 1 वर्स मराठी कोंकणीच्या लोकां मदीं फूट घातली आनी आतां निर्णय घेतला जेणे करून बोवाळ जावचो ना तेजे रिपरकेशन्स आतां दिसपाक लागले पळय. आनी खरें सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार दुर्दैवाची गजाल हांव नको म्हणजे आमचे मुख्यमंत्री खूब हुशार पूण पॉलिटिकली हेजो खरोच फायदो जातलो काय कितें हें आतां येता त्या लोकसभेच्या इलेक्शनांच्यान रिजल्टा वयल्यान आमकां दिसतलें. कांय जाणांक ताणें वेवस्थीत सेटल केले कांय जाणांक खुर्च्यो दिल्यो कांय जाणांक पदां दिलीं कांय जाणांक कांय एवॉर्ड्स दिले अशा प्रकारे ताणें सगळ्यांक स्पेसिफाय केले. जे मराठीवादी आसा कोंकणीवादी आसा हेंचें सेपरेशन कशें जाता हेजेर कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केलें.
Force and Father Jeffrino D'Souza of Diocesan Society have said that government's MOI decision is parents' victory.
I think at large people are happy. When people and parents are happy, we are happy. Because finally the movement for this MOI, it was not started by us. It was started by the parents. Tomorrow parents, after 10 years time, the situation might change. Who knows? We don't know.
The victory is basically of all the parents. The victory is of a democratic setup and every parent has a choice as of today. The parents, it's not like we have imposed English on anybody. It's very clear.
Goa Rakhand Manch has given a deadline of 29 January to Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch to clear their stand on government's decision in regards with medium of instruction.
गोवा राखण मंच म्हणजे पयलींचे गेट वेल सून हाची कोर कमिटीची बसका जाली आणि तातूंतल्यान अशें ठरलां की आमी 29 तारीख म्हळ्यार बुधवार मेरेन भारतीय भाषा सुरक्षा मंचाकडे आव्हान करता की आमकां तुमचे कलेक्टिव्ह डिसिजन तुमचे कितें धोरण आसा ह्या एकंदरीत पॉलिसी कडेन ते आमकां जाणून घेवपाक जाय. ना जाल्यार आमी आव्हान करता सगळ्या मंचाच्या मेंबरांक जे कोर कमिटीन आशिल्ले की तांणी तांचे समर्थन आमकां दाखोवचें 29 तारीख मेरेन.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
The newly constituted Goa Pradesh Congress Committee has become a bone of contention in the already battered Congress. The selection of the committee members have irked many loyal congressmen as politically inactive. Persons with anti-party background and some unknown faces have been accommodated in the GPCC. Couple of members on the committee are surprised as they are not even primary members of the party. Here's a report.
Legislature wing of the Congress is already down. Now it seems that the party organization is also demoralized and dejected. The newly constituted 38-member GPCC has created new controversy. Loyal congressmen are questioning the selection process and criteria for selection of the committee members. Many of them spoke to Prudent on the condition of anonymity. Their main objections are: more than 10 members are not even primary members of the party. 3 to 4 members are known for anti-party activities. 5 members are out of active politics for more than 2 decades. 20 members are not known to the masses. In fact, one of the members on the committee, Govind Gavde, expressed surprise over his selection as he is no longer there with the party.
ऑलमोस्ट डिसेंबर 2011 ह्या दरम्यान काँग्रेस पक्षांतल्यान हांव रिजायन जालो. आजपर्यंत हांवें प्राथमीक सदस्य पद जें आसा तातूंतल्यान हांवें रिजायन जाल्लो आसा. आज जो गोविंद गावडे हे नांवान आज अध्यक्षपद उपाध्यक्षपद आज काँग्रेस पक्षान जे बहाल जे केल्ले आसा ते म्हाका सबंद जनतेक इतलेंच सांगपाचें आसा तो मनीस हांव न्ही.
Sources say that most of the senior leaders of the party are upset with the new committee and state president John Fernandez. Many are questioning credentials of John as his own constituency, Taligaon, still does not have Congress block committee. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Swaraj Party has alleged a big scam in the ongoing Lusofonia games. They have alleged that many sports products have been procured at much higher price than actual market rates. Demanding Chief Minister's intervention in the matter, Goa Swaraj Party has said that they will soon file a criminal complaint in this regard.
Goa Swaraj Party has alleged a Commonwealth Games type scam in the ongoing Lusofonia games. Party has alleged that various products in the disciplines of basketball, volleyball, table tennis, judo and taekwondo have been procured from 25% to 500% higher than the actual market rates.
There is a massive scam in the procurement of equipment in 6 sporting disciplines: judo, taekwondo, basketball, volleyball and beach volleyball. For example, a beach volleyball has been purchased for rupees 14,900 when the maximum price even on the international market is not more than 3,500 to 4,000 rupees per ball. The government has purchased it through its consultant or through its purchasing people for rupees 14,900.
The party has also alleged that market price of table tennis ball is about 100 rupees, but it is purchased for 350 rupees. Market price of table tennis synthetic flooring is maximum 15,000 rupees per unit, but it is purchased for 40,000 rupees per unit. Market price of volleyball poles is maximum 30,000 rupees, but it is purchased for 90,000 rupees per pair. Market price of taekwondo judge joystick is maximum 50,000 rupees, but it is purchased for 1,35,000 rupees per unit. Market price of judo floor mats is maximum 2,50,000 rupees, but it is purchased for 6,40,000 rupees per unit. And market price of basketball uprights is maximum 6,50,000 rupees, but it is purchased for 12,14,000 rupees per pair.
Each item is been marked up anywhere between 25% to 500%. So if the procurement of these equipments range at about 60 to 50 crores, then the scam is easily accountable to be around 25 to 30 crores.
Goa Suraj Party has demanded Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to intervene in the matter and find the truth. Xavier Rodriguez has also said that they will soon file a criminal complaint in this regard. When we contacted CEO of Lusofonia Games, Keshav Chandra, he refused to say anything, stating that the games are going on and he would react after the games are over.
अरे यार अभी क्या मैं बोलूं, अभी यहाँ गेम चल रहा है, अब क्या हायर रेट.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar and Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.